Hey wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a BelleTress wig called Americana in the color Mocha with Cream. So yeah, I am still really smitten with these BelleTress wigs. Now, I'm not always the biggest proponent of heat-friendly synthetics, and all these cafe collection wigs from the BelleTress line are heat-friendly synthetic. So whenever I review them, I'm going to try to mention that, you know, hey, these are heat-friendly synthetic. They take kind of special care compared to non-heat-friendly synthetic wigs. So you have to be kind of cool with that and know what you're getting yourself into before you sign on to buy a wig like this. But if you are cool with heat-friendly synthetics, then these are some really, really nice ones. The fiber feels great, it styles well, it just feels really nice, and the colors are super, super pretty. Like this particular color, this Mocha with Cream, it's basically got everything and the kitchen sink in it. It's got a dark brown root, and then it's got this sort of light caramel brown base. You get a little bit of medium brown blended in with that, and you get some blonde highlights blended in with all of that. It's so dynamic and very pretty, and it's not too warm because the blonde and the highlight has a little bit of ash in it, as you can see right here. So it's just a really glorious sort of light chocolatey, delicious color. Super dynamic. Rivals the Raquel Welch True to Life Fiber color palette. Very, very pretty colors here on these BelleTress Cafe Collection wigs. So this is a 5-ounce wig, and it does have a hand-tied monofilament top as well as a lace front. The bangs are 8.5 inches. The sides are 11.5 inches. It's very, very layered, as you can tell. The nape is 9.5, or just 9. The nape is 9 inches. The back from the top down is 16 inches, and the overall length is about 11.5 to 16 inches, depending on if you straighten it, actually. So let me show you what Americana looks like right out of the box from all sides. This wig is super pretty. It's very, very pretty on. The layering is cut and constructed in a very pretty, very girly way. And this is the texture this wig came with right out of the box. I haven't done anything to style it aside from changing the part from a zigzag part to a straight one. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on that so I can show you that monofilament top a little bit. With those dark knots, you can see those knots really well, and you can see that they're very tiny. And this is a very well threaded mono top. Looks like a natural scalp up there. We love that. And then here's that lace front. Again, tiny knots. Tiny, tiny little knots. This is a gorgeous wig. Very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and take Americana off now so I can show you what the cap looks like. So Americana has a lace front and a monofilament top, both of which are hand-tied, no permatease. Has a really nice open cap in the back and on the sides. It does not have an extended nape, and it adjusts a bit like a bra here in the back. It does have open ear tabs, which makes it easy to wear glasses with. The volume on the top is extremely natural because it doesn't have any permatease. And the hair, I mean, it's got a little bit of a sheen to it, but it isn't remotely shiny because it has that heat-friendly fiber. Very beautiful curl pattern on this one right out of the box. And look at how dynamic that color is and how pretty it is on the texture of this particular wig. So pretty. I'm going to go ahead and put Americana back on now. Now remember, this isn't a perm, so if you heat style this wig to a different texture, it will lose that curl pattern. Unless, of course, you heat style it back in. do my little trick. I don't know if you saw me do that earlier. I do that to a lot of my wigs to just kind of obscure the seam between the where my cap is and where the lace front ends. And there you go. This has been my review of the Americana wig by BelleTress, a glorious little heat-friendly synthetic wig in the color Mocha with Cream. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Hopefully you like what I do with my wig reviews. If so, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my wig store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com, also known as CysterWigs. And until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.